I would agree with that assessment. Everything that's been posted is from North Carolina. The 20 and the 75, if we're mixing up which one goes to which, those still deal with North Carolina, nothing.
So where do we go from here?
So just with that, I mean, with previously, with the previous conversation of him coming out and then picking up the extra charges, I'd still be wary of, well, so I still wouldn't agree, but I understand the court wants to set a bond. And the other part of the conversation we really didn't get to is the feasibility of his mother being able to pay any sort of bond. But I mean, everything I'm going to ask for is going to be at least 5 digits just because of.
Yeah, I wouldn't do anything less, just to be honest with you.
Yeah,
You
and
know,
so
because I want to make sure that he gets there. And I'm not going to give you 2 weeks. You got to go now.
But just with the nature of it, with at point, at least he's been returned. Restriction given by the court, I agree, but I wouldn't be opposed to a $10,000 bond. So at least just.
I was thinking about that yesterday.
And so again, also obviously that's predicated on the fact that the mom can actually pay the bond. But if not, then he's just losing time if he withdraws his waiver. So.
And so I can advise my client as to how it can't go both ways if he withdraws the time frame and he has the bond.
Has he waived already?
Well, he's waived. He
He's
started
waived.
the clock.
Right.
He hasn't pulled.
He's
Did he waive?
He waived to third. Hold on. I mean,
6th, I want to say.
you might be right. Hold on.
It's been a week.
Yeah, he's been, and so it's close. And so that's something we need to talk about to see if
It's just going to be another week and a half versus
doing all
an
this and
extra
putting up money and
$10,000.
So here's the deal. If you want to bond out, I will set your bond at $10,000, right? Here in Harris County, there's no 10%, there's no 20% on these types of bonds. You pay it all up front. And if you fail to go within the prescribed time that we set, I will revoke it, set it at 0. And I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Robinson, you will not get another one from us. So if you ever pick up another charge from another state and you try to make it over here and try to play games like that, you will sit in custody until the other jurisdiction comes and gets you. Do you understand? I don't play this game twice. It's yes or no. Do you understand?